Hey guys, today I'm making chocolate cake. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa, and baking powder and mix together well. Then add in the eggs, oil, and water. Use a whisk to break up the yolks and to mix everything together till combined. A few small lumps in the batter are okay, but be careful not to overmix. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl and to make sure that everything is mixed in well. Then divide the batter equally between 4 cake pans, and mine are 20 centimeters. Level them out and place them in a 180-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove them from the oven and allow them to cool slightly. Then turn them out of the pans and trim off the dome. Allow it to cool completely and use as required. I use these to make a birthday cake. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!